Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove watermarks from a PDF on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, download the app from the Play Store. Once you have the app installed, open it and tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Then select Import and choose the PDF file from your device. After the PDF is processed, tap the Edit feature at the bottom and select Image Editor. Now, select the folder for saving the document, choose Save Here, and select highest quality possible. Then, wait for the PDF to be converted into a series of images. Once it's ready, scroll towards the right in the bottom tray of icons and tap on the three dots. Here, choose Batch Edit to bring up the editing options. To remove the watermark, tap on the color option and slide it all the way to the end. Select OCV Black to remove the watermark from the current page. If the watermark still remains, tap on the color filter again and increase its effect all the way up. If you want to apply this change to all pages, tap on Apply to All Pages. The watermark will then be removed from the entire document. To save the edited file, tap on the checkmark to apply the changes. Then, scroll towards the left side in the bottom tray and select Save. Select Entire Document and select Save to Phone. You can then choose the target location and save it there. Now, if I open the document, you can see that the watermark has been removed successfully. So that's basically how you can remove watermarks from a PDF on Android, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.